Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix PUBG Battlegrounds if it's not launching or not starting on your PC. These steps are quick, simple, and they work for most players, so let's jump right in. First, go to your Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it, find your active network adapter, double-click it, and select Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4. TCP/IPv4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then under DNS settings, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Next, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Now type the following commands one by one. ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. netsh winsock reset, then press Enter. Once both commands finish, close the window. Finally, restart your computer and PUBG should launch normally again. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.